Updating your primary email on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the profile icon or the More tab at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to the settings menu. Step 3. Select personal information. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled personal information or account details. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update email address. Find the section for your email address. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Input the new email and confirm it. Step 5. Verify your new email. After updating, check your new email inbox for a verification email from Revolut. Click the verification link in the email to complete the process. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Revolut will be updated. Make sure to check for any further instructions in the app or your email.